Wake up early, it's another day. Fire in the kitchen, we're ready to play. Knives are sharp, pots on the stove. This is the life we chose, we're in the zone. Chopping, dicing, flavors collide, creating magic with every stride. Sweat on the brow, but we never complain. This kitchen's a battlefield, passion's the flame. We're the chefs living life on the edge. Flavors and spices where dreams are pledged. From the heat of the fire to the heart of the feast, we're the artists taming the beast. Rush hour hits, it's a symphony. Orders coming in, pure harmony. Flipping pans, plating with care. Every dish a story, we lay it bare. Mistakes are lessons we learn, we grow. In this chef life, the highs and the lows. Service ends, but the fire remains. Tomorrow we'll rise to do it again. We're the chefs living life on the edge. Flavors and spices where dreams are pledged. From the heat of the fire to the heart of the feast, we're the artists taming the beast. Late nights, long shifts, dreams on the line. A pinch of hope and a dash of time. For every bite, for every smile, it's all worth it, mile by mile. So here's to the chefs, the creators of taste. No moment, no effort, ever a waste. In the heart of the kitchen, our spirits ignite. This is our anthem, the chef's life delight.